Hello, and welcome to the Kansha M878 remote control tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Kansha M878 remote to better understand how to use it and to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split up into 4 different parts: remote layout and functions, menu walkthrough, customizing and saving a massage, and lastly, pairing your Bluetooth devices. To start, we're going to go over the button layout on the front face of the remote and what each of the buttons do. Then we'll go over the menu to start an auto program. After that, we'll customize a massage using the different features of the chair, and then we'll go over to save your custom massage to your chair's My Memory program. Finally, we will go over the final settings on how to pair your Bluetooth device to your Kansha M878 4D massage chair. Let's begin by turning on the remote by pressing the red power button below the display screen. This button is used to turn the chair on and off when connected to power and when the power switch on the side of the chair is turned to the on position. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when finished, tap the OK button to continue. To the right of the power button, we have the up-down arrow buttons. The up-down arrows are used to fine-tune the shoulder height of the back mechanism right after the initial body scan. They are also used in manual point or manual partial mode to position the back mechanisms to the location you desire. Below the power button, we have the menu button. Pressing this button will bring you to the home screen where most of the chair's functions are located. We will return to this in part 2 of this video. Next is the auto program button. When pressed, this brings up a list of 9 auto programs that you can use with the start of a button. There is recover, stretch, back relief, night, upper body, and lower body. Below lower body is 2 custom memory programs. The Kansha M878 has the ability to save your favorite custom massage programs. We will go over how to save your custom settings later on in this video. In the center, you have the directional pad and the OK button. This will help you navigate through the menu, and the OK button allows you to confirm a selection. While in a program, you can use the up-down directional buttons to adjust the mechanism speed and the left and right buttons to change the airbag intensity. At the bottom left of the directional pad, we have the adjustment buttons for the footrest and backrest. When holding down the footrest adjustment buttons, this allows you to raise or lower the footrest. You can adjust the backrest just the same. This allows the chair's backrest to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. The 4D button, when pressed, increases and decreases the 4D intensity of the back mechanisms. While in an auto program or manual mode, use a lower intensity for a light tissue massage or a higher intensity for a deep tissue massage. The intensity meter shows on the display. Under the 4D button is the foot extend and foot retract adjustment buttons. Holding down these buttons will allow you to extend or retract the footrest. Now let's walk through the menu. Let's press the menu button. On the screen you will see 7 different menu options: auto, manual, 4D massage, ionizer, airbag, heat, and settings. It is very easy to navigate through the different menu options. Just use the directional pad to navigate the menu and press OK to select an item. We're going to start from the top and work our way down the list. The first option is auto. This brings up the auto program menu that we saw when we pushed the auto button earlier. Each of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. I recommend trying each of them out and seeing which one feels best for you. Going back to the main menu, navigate down and select Manual. This will bring up a manual menu displaying 7 different options you can adjust: mode, part, width, speed, roller, and 0. Let's select mode. These are different techniques of massage that this chair offers. As you can see, there are 5 different options: kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, and sync. Try each of them out and see which one you enjoy the most. Now with the type of massage selected, let's select part. Here you have 3 different options to choose from: whole, partial, and point. If you select whole, this sets the rollers to utilize the entire L track in the massage chair, that is from your neck to lumbar. For a more focused massage, select partial. This setting moves the rollers in a 6 to 8 inch section where they currently are on the L track. For a more targeted area, select the point option and going back to the In Use screen, use the up and down adjustment buttons to move the rollers to any desired position on your body along the L track. Returning back to the manual menu, there are 4 more settings to adjust. To change the width of the rollers, simply select Width and you will see 3 options: a wide, medium, and narrow. If you want to change the speed of the rollers on the L track, you can adjust those settings in Speed on the menu. Here you have 6 different options to choose from, 1 being slowest and 6 being fast. To change the speed of the foot rollers, select Roller and choose from any of the available speed options: 1, 2, 3, and off, 1 being slowest and 3 being fast. And last is Zero Gravity. Select Zero and here you will see an option to simply turn on or off the zero gravity features. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual menu, let's return to the main menu and continue going down the menu features that really set this chair apart. Once back in the main menu, navigate down and select 4D Massage. As a 4D massage chair, these special programs were built to highlight these features, and you will have full control over how deep the rollers massage you. In the 4D massage menu, you will see 3 options: Mode, Force, and Part. In the Mode function, we have 3 programs to choose from that really show the most of the 4D features. There is Yoga, which is a 5-minute stress-free massage that helps boost viability of muscles; Deep Kneading, which is a 10-minute deep tissue back massage; and lastly, we have Stress Relief, which is a deep breathing program. To change the intensity of the 4D massage, you can adjust the force in the force options within the menu. Here you can choose between any of the different options, 1 through 5, 1 being light tissue and 5 being deep tissue. Adjust these until you find a setting that is most suitable for you. Just like in the manual settings, you can adjust the area that is being massaged using the Part option within the menu. Select Part, then just like in the manual mode, you can choose between a whole body massage, a partial massage that will massage you in a 6 to 8 inch area where they currently are, or you can select Point where you can adjust the massage to any specific area on your body. Now let's explore the other features of the chair. Back in the main menu, navigate down and select Ionizer. Here you have the option to turn on or off the air ionizer within the chair. Now let's turn on the airbags. Back in the main menu, select Airbag. This is where you can adjust the airbag controls to get a great compression massage. After you select Airbag, you will see 2 options. These are Part and Force. Select Part. This will allow you to choose between 5 different options: full, arm and shoulder, back and waist, leg and foot, and buttock. Using the directional pad, choose an option and press OK. Once selected, you can change the intensity by using Force. This will show 6 different options, 1 through 5, and off. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want them off, simply select Off and they will be turned off entirely. With the airbags set to your desired intensity, let's bring on the heat. Back in the main menu, select Heat. Here you will be able to turn the lumbar heat on or off. Now let's go back to the main menu to go over our last menu option, which is Settings. Select Settings. Here you will see Time, Language, Bluetooth, Voice, and Beep. In the time settings, you will see 3 choices: 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Selecting one of these will extend your massage session length. Keep this setting in mind when you create your custom massage to set the length of session desired. Next is Language. This chair has 2 different language settings to choose from, English and Chinese. Next is Bluetooth. Here you can turn on the Bluetooth settings on or off. To connect your phone to the chair, this setting will need to be turned on. Note, Bluetooth must be turned on in system settings for speakers to work properly. To pair your Android or Apple device, we will be going over that in part 4 of this video. Next is Voice. This chair has built-in intelligent voice commands and control settings. Here you can see the option to turn the voice control on or off. If your voice control is on and you would like to get a list of commands, reference page 16 in the owner's manual. And lastly is Beep. Here you have the option to turn the remote beep sound effect on or off. Now let's go over how to save a custom massage. Once you have chosen all your desired air, heat, speed, and intensity settings, navigate to the Auto Program menu and go to My Memory 1 or 2 at the bottom of the Auto Program list. Press the OK button to select either My Massage 1 or My Massage 2, then select Save. Note, if you save over the top of an existing memory program, the existing program will be erased and replaced by the most recent save. To load a memory program, select My Memory 1 or My Memory 2 and select Run. The chair will now run the auto program you created. Now let's pair your phone to your chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Kansha M878 remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth enabled massage chair around you. Select Kansha in the available device sections of your Bluetooth settings. Select it and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair's speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Kansha M878 remote control, you can now fully enjoy your Kyota Kansha M878 4D massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chair.